Welcome, and thank you for your interest in OptiPlant. We have just released a new feature to automatically apply control valve assemblies to auto-routed pipe. First, ensure that the pipes have already been auto-routed before proceeding to add a valve assembly to your line. Go to the Piping Assembly tab and select the Insert Control Valve Station button. This will open up the Insert CSV window that has all of the lines that are present in the line list. Select the pipe that you would like to add the valve assembly to. Let's select line 1DD-500. Here, you see we have multiple assembly configurations to select from: horizontal or vertical type and left or right type. For this example, I will select the left or right type configuration. First, we will set the primary parameters for our assembly. D1 is for the control valve station length. D2 is for the control valve elevation. D3 is for the bypass line offset. In the secondary parameters, users have the flexibility to set the isolation valve location, perpendicular or parallel, in D4. Users have the option to add reducers to the assembly in D5. Also, users have the option to set the control valve station to either symmetrical or set the control valve by specific coordinates. We will use the default selection for this assembly. Once the parameters have been set, we will now select the View and Set Box button. This will generate a box based on the provided dimension values so you can easily see the space you need. Now move the box to where you want the assembly. Now I select the Insert Valve Station button and you will see that the valve assembly has been automatically generated. For each piping assembly, an MTO will be auto-calculated in the form. This value will be updated in the final MTO associated to the line where the assembly ends. Contact us for a more detailed demonstration.